Hello, welcome to another video from Random Shashi. In this video I am going to unbox and review the cheapest phone in the world. The IKALL K72 only costs $4, that is around 300 rupees in India. This phone is made in India and has a 1.44-inch display. Let's unbox it. The phone is very light and looks almost like an old Nokia phone. It has a built-in 3.5mm headphone jack. The box also contains a charger, which is the same type as the old Nokia phone charger. It has some paperwork and the battery. The battery has 1000 mAh of capacity. It costs as much as the phone to buy a 1000 mAh battery separately. It's awesome that they sell this phone for only $4. Let's put the battery in and turn it on. It comes with its own screen protector. It also has a nice boot up animation. The phone only works in 2G connections. The cellular call quality is only average compared to other phones. I'll be giving away this phone to a lucky one of you. To enter this giveaway, first you need to subscribe and press the bell icon, and follow me on Instagram, and comment your Instagram username down in the comments. This giveaway is only in India. More info about the giveaway is in the description. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.